Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled between rolling hills and lush forests, there lived a young girl named Lily. Lily was curious by nature, always eager to explore and learn about the world around her. Lily loved to learn and discover new things. She was like a little explorer and innovator, always excited to find out about the world around her. Whether it was looking at flowers in the garden or watching the clouds in the sky, Lily's curiosity never stopped. She asked lots of questions and listened carefully to the answers, wanting to understand everything. For Lily, every day was an adventure, and she couldn't wait to see what she would learn next. She was like a sponge, soaking up all the knowledge she could find, and her love for exploring made every moment fun and exciting. But what fascinated her most were the plants and animals that surrounded her village. Lily thought plants and animals were super cool. She loved watching flowers bloom in the garden and listening to birds chirping in the trees. Every creature, big or small, had something special about it that caught Lily's attention. She liked to learn about how plants grow and how animals move and talk to each other. Sometimes she even made up stories about them in her head. For Lily, the natural world was like a big, exciting puzzle waiting to be solved, and she couldn't wait to discover all its secrets.
One day, while wandering through the woods, Lily stumbled upon a wizard who was tired and hungry. Wizard was sitting below a tree with his staff and a magical book in his hand. Magical book, as the name suggests in appearance, wise, truly stand alone from other books. Lily felt sorry for the wizard, as Lily is a kind-hearted person and was always willing to help the needed. Lily gave him water and food that she had. The wizard was so grateful for her kindness that he gave her in return his magical book. The book was full of magic and secrets about nature. Lily was amazed. She learned about plants that can help people get better when they are sick, animals that can change their shape, and herbs that can do incredible things. This enchanted book held the secrets of nature's strength, revealing the hidden potentials of organisms and plants, and guiding the reader on how to harness and enhance their abilities. Slowly but surely, she began to unravel its genetic code, discovering genes responsible for drought resistance, pest resilience, and even medicinal properties. Once Lily got the magical book from the wizard, she was so excited to learn all its secret. She decided to turn her family's barn into a special place where she could do experiments. Using her newfound knowledge, Lily set up a small laboratory in her family's barn. Day and night, she worked tirelessly, experimenting with different techniques to unlock the hidden powers and potential of nature. With help of his magical book, she wanted to find out how to make plants stronger and better. Day and night, Lily worked hard in her new lab. She tried all sorts of things to see what would happen. She mixed different potions and tested different ideas. Sometimes, she made mistakes, but she never gave up. She kept trying until she found the right way. Little by little, Lily figured out amazing things. She discovered special parts inside plants called genes that held secrets. Some genes helped plants survive without much water, some kept bugs away, and some even had powers to heal. Slowly but surely, she began to unravel its genetic code, discovering genes responsible for drought resistance, pest resilience, and even medicinal properties. Lily was so happy with her discoveries. She knew she could use this knowledge to help make the world a better place. And she was grateful to the wizard for giving her such a special gift that let her do these incredible things. As news of Lily's groundbreaking research spread throughout the village, people from far and wide came to witness her remarkable discoveries. Scientists, farmers, and entrepreneurs alike were amazed by the possibilities from the discoveries that Lily made with the help of her book for improving agriculture, medicine, and environmental conservation. With her passion and determination, Lily became a pioneer in forging new pathways for scientific innovation and exploration. Her humble village soon transformed into a hub of technological advancement, where researchers from all disciplines came together to push the boundaries of what was once thought not possible. Under Lily's guidance, the once humble village flourished into a beacon of advancement. Fields bloomed with genetically enhanced crops, forests teemed with revitalized ecosystems, and people lived healthier, happier lives thanks to the medicines derived from her discoveries. As she stood amidst the lush fields and vibrant forests, surrounded by the fruits of her labor. Through her journey, Lily showed the world that with creativity, perseverance, and a deep respect for nature, could be a powerful force for good, shaping a brighter future for generations to come. And as she looked out at the fields of genetically enhanced crops and the thriving ecosystems restored through her work, Lily knew that her adventure was only just beginning. In this modern world, the magical book of Lily, which held the secrets of nature's strength, revealing the hidden potentials of organisms and plants, and guiding the reader on how to harness and enhance their abilities, if referred to as biotechnology. Biotechnology is a field of science that combines biology with technology. It involves using living organisms, like plants, animals, or microorganisms, to create new products, improve existing ones, or solve problems. Biotechnology taps into nature's genius, using living organisms to solve problems and create wonders. By manipulating DNA, scientists engineer organisms to produce medicines, enhance crops, and clean up pollution. It revolutionizes medicine with personalized treatments and fosters sustainable agriculture through genetically modified crops. Despite ethical and environmental concerns, its potential for improving lives is immense. Biotechnology's future holds promise in combating diseases, feeding a growing population, and safeguarding our planet. It's a dynamic field at the forefront of innovation, shaping a brighter, healthier future for humanity. Thank you for watching. Please share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe for more related contents.